Good morning, family. I'm Stephanie Wade. I'm Habasia, helping your brothers and sisters in Africa. I'm also the one and only Creole Griot Test. Yeah, y'all. Uh, I'm in the motherland still. Yes, the Gambia. And I am at my new digs at the Airbnb and close to the Bigelow. Well, actually, it's in the Bigelow area of the Gambia. Very nice, very nice. I was already up before the birds made me up. I actually heard the people doing a call to worship this morning. I cut the fan off because in the morning it's actually cool, y'all, like in California. Yeah, it's cool like in California. I'm trying to get this angle right for this camera. But anyway, it's cool like in California in the morning and late at night. This time of the year, it's supposed to be their winter time, but it feels so good. And the fan, makes a noise, so I cut the fan off and opened up the curtains so I could feel the breeze. It was so nice, y'all. But anyway, enough about me. How y'all doing this morning? Wherever you are in the world, I hope you're happy and you're enjoying your life and that you're living in the now. You can always plan on things you want to do tomorrow, but no one knows the hour. So enjoy where you are, enjoy the beautiful person that you are. I am. Yes, I am. If you have not subscribed, please do. Doesn't matter how many other people in your family have a membership, subscription, whatever. Subscribe for yourself, guys. It's free, y'all. It's free. Doesn't cost you anything to get a YouTube account and, just subscribe. Subscribe, y'all, for yourself. Do it for me. The Creole Griotist. Do it for me. Habasia. So anyway. I'm sharing this experience with you guys because it pleases me to share. I've always been that way. I was the only child of my mother and my father. He didn't get to know about me that I know of anyway. I can always make up a story, y'all, but I don't know all of the story. I just know that I didn't know him. And I found out about him, just a few years back. And I got to connect to my wonderful family on my father's side, so it's good. My cousin Lyle and them, they all out there watching me. His mama too. Shout out to my people out there on the Spencer side of my family. Shout out to the Craychans and the Sams and the Vilts and the Paynes, all on my mama's side. I'm happy if some of my messages reach you. When I'm out here in front of this camera, I'm mostly a conduit for my ancestors. I get to see what I say pretty much when I'm editing for you guys. Sometimes, I ain't gonna lie, I delete the bloopers. I do. But most of the times, I be like, oh, that's good, that's good. Because it was a message that was just passing through me. Like Mission Impossible. If you accept the assignment, ... And I'm one of those people that accepted the assignment. So I do pass the message on through storytelling. I'm a griotist. And all the people in my family that I know of have been great storytellers. And they had you laughing all the time. I never try to make people laugh, but somehow they do sometimes. But anyway, guys, I'm out here enjoying the birds. I'm showing you all of the background that I'm having here. Sometimes I talk more than other times. Ooh, that was a little bitty bird, y'all. Zooming through. Maybe y'all saw it in the back of the camera. I think I'm turning into one of these sages where the animals just do their thing by you. I just don't need them to land on me yet. I don't think I've arrived to that level yet. But anyway, guys, somebody thought that I had just done my best video or the first good video yesterday. I was like in shock at first. I'm like, what? I've done hundreds of videos. Yeah, hundreds. And I thought they were good. I mean, I heard good stuff out of them, and lots of people said they got good stuff out of them. But for some reason, that particular video touched that person's heart. And I'm glad. I'm glad, because when I rethought it, I said, well, you know, every message is not for everybody. And if this person got that message, good. I'm glad. I'm glad. So hopefully some messages that I say are for you, hopefully. So keep watching, listening. Maybe something said will be for you next. Or you, or somebody that you know. Because you definitely are encouraged to share my videos with everybody that's in your sphere of influence. Especially if you think it could help them some. I'm never trying to be preachy to anybody. I'm just sharing my stories, y'all. That's all. I'm going to turn this camera around so y'all can see some more of what I'm saying and not just what's happening in the background. These birds tend to like to be on these barbed wire fences. They are in between the barbed wire. They're so small, so it's not affecting them at all. And these big birds love it here. I can't get them all in here because, you know, this camera can't do everything. It can only go in one direction at once, and sometimes the birds actually fly into the view of the camera. I don't even know they're gonna do it because I don't control these birds, y'all. This is live, for real. And I'm getting as close to them as possible without messing with them. You know? I don't want them to think I'm the enemy, because then they may change their behaviors. I don't know. I'm just observing. I'm just following the sounds, y'all. And the sights. And yes, guys, we still have lights here. We done moved on up to a better neighborhood. I wish I could have get y'all a better view most of the time, but it's all about perspective. And I'm inside of this security gate. And I'm sure they have security gates for reasons in this area, so I'm gonna respect that and keep myself right in here for right now, because it's not even sun up yet. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed some of these morning sights and sounds that I shared with y'all. You know, I can't keep doing this longer because it takes forever to upload a video. And it might be like a little glitch today because I have to go to the Q-Cell people tomorrow and get my Wi-Fi officially renewed. I tried to add minutes on it at a little corner store, but I don't know how successful that's gonna be, y'all. And it was voting day yesterday, so I couldn't go there to the office. It was closed. So tomorrow, y'all, because it's Sunday. So anyway, have a happy Sunday wherever y'all are in the world. Remember that you are special just the way you are, and you can change for the better if you think you need changing. But it's always just up to you. You can be accepted just as you are. Until next time, y'all, peace, peace, power to the people. And I'm out, y'all. Bye.